What are the options for somebody who wants to invest in the US? What are the investment visa options? There are a few. The first one is the E2 visa. It's a non-immigrant visa that allows you, with an amount, let's say a minimum of 100,000, I would say, to start a small business that you can work in, employ a few employees, and get a visa. So the E2 depends on the country of nationality. There's a list of countries that qualify. So not every country, but there's a list of countries on the State Department website. And if you're from that country, you may be able to get a visa from anywhere from 3 months up to 5 years. Yes, some countries only get the visa for 3 months, like Egypt. So it's really important to understand on the reciprocity schedule where your country is listed. Like for example, Mexico, it's 1 year. Again, E2, investor visa for non-immigrant purposes, you get it within 3 to 5 months. You have to prove the source of the funds. I would say about 100,000 average. The business has to be real, not marginal. You have to have some employees. There's no limit of, it can be 1 employee up to 10. It doesn't matter. It depends on the business. And this visa does not lead to a green card, but you can have it indefinitely if you renew it. You can come with your spouse. Your spouse can work if you have a spouse. So that's option number 1, the E2 visa. Option number 2, EB5. The EB5 allows you to invest $500,000 into a regional center, which is a government-approved project, or $1 million into direct investment. If you invest in your own project, you must have at least 10 employees and create jobs, and the business must be succeeding and growing and improving the business if you invest in an existing business. Now, the EB5 is going to change after November 21st, 2019. The investment is going to increase from $500,000 to 900,000, and from 1 million to 1.8 million. So it's important to know that it's no longer going to be $500,000, it's going to increase almost double. But EB5 allows you to get a green card almost guaranteed if you do what is required, and you don't have to work. Unlike the E2 visa, you don't have to work in the business. You invest either in a government project, or if you invest directly, you invest in an existing company, and you have to help that company improve and maintain those 10 jobs. So EB5, green card through investment; E2, investment in a small business. And then also the L visa, which is not an investment visa, but it also allows you to open a branch of your company abroad. So if you have a company, let's say in England, and you want to open a branch in California, you set up a company, and you also kind of invest. You have to start up that company by putting some money in it and getting a visa because of the affiliation with your company abroad, but it's also a form of investment visa. So E2, EB5, and maybe an L also considered to be some sort of an investment. So those are the options if you want to live and invest in the US. E2, EB5, and possibly an L as well. So hopefully this information was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below. Give us a like and share this video with somebody who may need this information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.